In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Following that, click on App Notifications at the top and click on All section over here. Now just click on the best option for you to filter your apps: most recent, most frequent, or notifications turned off. In my case, most frequent. Now you can click on blue switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. In order to switch them back on, tap on the same, now gray switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!